Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Grand Bay local and long-distance movers near me. Finding the right cheap Grand Bay moving company isn't always an easy task. With 3 Movers, you get an affordable moving team ready to help with your local or long-distance move. Our team knows how to complete your move quickly and efficiently. We have helped many homeowners, renters, business owners, students, and veterans with their moving needs. Our long-distance moving services provide everything you need, including the following options. Packing services. If you don't have time to pack, we can do the packing for you and even the unpacking. Moving supplies. Our moving supplies help to ensure your things remain fully protected, whether we pack for you or you do it yourself. An on-time move. When moving day arrives, you don't want to deal with delays. We show up on schedule, ready to go to work for you. Upfront pricing. A price quote from us gives you the transparent pricing you need to set your moving budget properly. Licensed and insured. Your things remain protected when you trust us to do the moving for you. A long-distance move comes with a ton of stress. Not only do you have to relocate your things, but also your entire life. While we cannot help you settle into your new city, we can get your things to your new home faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Grand Bay moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.